Hello everyone, my name is Vansh Jasodani and today I am going to show you my project which is the gas detection project. So this is my project. This is an Arduino UNO. This is a gas sensor MQ135. This is a buzzer and these are some jumper wires. So now when I turn on this burner, see, it started beeping. Now I have turned off this burner, but still it is beeping because there are some LPG molecules present in the air. It will automatically turn off after a few seconds. See, now it turned off. So this is a 27 line program which I coded in C++ language, and I took approx 15 minutes to code this. So this was my project. Thank you.